What's up everyone, and you're welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Bantu tutorial. As you can see, this Bantu knot looks so gorgeous on me, guys. A little background story. This style is actually my teenage style. I love this style so much. When I was a teenager, it's so easy for me to do and quick. So I'm just like, let's just revisit, As usual, I'm going to be using my argan oil to protect my hair from the harshness of whatever I'm going to be putting on it. Argan oil has been working so great for me and I love it. It gives great sleep and great shine. So my hair is stretched. I stretch my hair by braiding it, and I'm just going to section my hair into twos so that I can get this part going on. The rubber band method, so I'm just going to oil my rubber bands because I don't want no friction. We don't want to lose hair. This is actually a protective style. So as you can see, I've already started with the back section, and just watch and see what I'm going to be doing. This is actually very self-explanatory, so watch it and see. I won't be using my Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm just going to use hair wax. The reason why I didn't use the Gorilla Snot Gel is because I don't want my hair to revert back, and this gel actually works. Though it looks white, but it's going to blend as time goes on. So you guys just should keep on watching. After securing this section with my rubber band, I went ahead to put it in a twist, and you guys are going to see the reason why in this video. We are done. Isn't this cute, guys? I can actually wear my hair out like this. So for this Bantu knot, I'm going to be using braiding hair. This hair has suffered from my hand, guys. This was the hair I used for my aloe braid. I used it for my pigtail, ponytail, and now I'm even using it for, I promise this is the last stop. After this, I'm throwing it away. So I braided my hair up, but I didn't braid it to the very down, so I just braided it to where my hair ends. So, and I'm going to roll it just like a regular Bantu knot. Just twirl the hair around, make it let it be secure, make sure it is secure, and just roll it around and play with your hair, and that's it. That's all for this tutorial. I mean, it's self-explanatory. You can see it's very easy to do. It is quick. I think this takes me, well, it is hard to know how long it took because I'm recording, and if you are a YouTuber, filming and making your hair makes it very longer because you need to know you're doing the right thing, and you're recording, you're actually recording. I can't really count how many times I stood up to check this camera if it is recording, because oh god, it has happened to me a lot of times. I'll think I'm recording and then I'm not. So yeah, that's it. For this style, guys, a quick tip. If you want to do this, don't start from the front. I'm starting from the front for the sake of the video because I want you guys to see what I'm doing before I get tired, because I actually got tired like 3 times. I had to stop, do some things, and so yeah, start from the back. It will be easy for you to roll up, but starting from the front, it will be very difficult for you to roll backward. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, that's it, guys. And finally, we are done, guys. I'm just going to jazz this up with some silver rings. I mean, look at how this style just framed my face so beautifully. So guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Like I said, this is the style for my teenage years. I love it so much, and I'm going to give you some 360 angles so that you can see the back. You see, it is very flattering. It suits my skin, my dark skin, and I'm looking like an Afro babe, guys. I just love this style so much. And yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. If you are new here, please go ahead to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Support your baby girl. Thanks so much for watching, and bye. Peace.